What's going on, everyone? Dylan Fazio here with a Six-Figure Marketers Club training. Now, today what I'm going to be sharing with you is how to actually take your multiple income funnel leads that are going through your landing pages and get them onto your own autoresponder so that you can send out daily emails and follow up with those leads as well. And if you're making videos, this is great to get traffic to your videos, right off the hop. So, people that are seeing this, maybe you are from my email list and you got an email about this video when it goes live, right? So you can see the power of this, but it's just going to get people back to the video sales letter, where the video sales letter can go ahead and do the sales or the selling for us, okay? So the process is very simple, and if you want to get a GetResponse account, this is what I recommend. Aweber, I was using it for a little while, but it just doesn't like affiliates. So GetResponse is an affiliate program, built an affiliate, they don't mind affiliate links, is what I'm trying to say. So that's why I switched over to GetResponse, and you can actually get a 30-day free trial. So if you guys want to use that link in the description below, you can go ahead and do that. So if we jump over here, as you guys see, we got 21 contacts in our list. And how we were able to do this, so if we actually just go over to our multiple income funnel and we go to our tracking links, you see that, we've got a bunch of different tracking links. I'm sending traffic from all sorts of different sources. We have our YouTube videos starting to drive some traffic as well. So over the next, couple days, as we start to film more videos, you're going to see the YouTube stats start to grow, and a lot of those sales are going to start coming from YouTube because it's one of the highest converting traffic sources, because people get to see you firsthand, you get to build a relationship with them, and show them that you're a real person. So YouTube is amazing for building a response. That's why I send my emails, right? Maybe they come through paid traffic. I send my people in my emails to my YouTube videos, right? So that they can see, hey, from this email, there's actually a real person kind of behind it. Okay, so that's one way to, get your, get your growth on YouTube and also make more sales. So in order to, pull your leads, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to give away everybody's emails, but all you have to do is go into your leads category, and then you're just going to download the leads folder. If we go into my drive, what's going to happen is you're going to get a document that's like this, right? So it's just going to download right there. And then all you're going to want to do is go over to your GetResponse account, and under your list category, right, you're just going to hit add contacts. So once you add contacts, it's just going to pick your list, right? So I have my Six-Figure Marketers Club, right? Because that's my little, bracket. And then the multiple income funnel leads, okay? And then you're going to use upload file, and you're just going to drag and drop that file in there. Now, once you've done this a couple times, you're going to want to make sure that you use the only add new category, and then it's going to, jump you through a couple steps, asking you to link, the name to the name tag in GetResponse, right? So you just follow those steps. Again, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to give away people's emails, okay? So we're just going to skip that. You're going to hit only add new, and then every time, so I'm going to do this, once a day, or, say I run a traffic campaign and I got a bunch of new leads, I'm going to add those leads into GetResponse, okay? Now, when you're sending out emails, they don't have to be crazy, okay? So we can just go to email marketing, right? So I just did one, and it was a welcome to the team email, right? So if we just open it up, hey there, Dylan DeFazio here. You're receiving this email because you've opted into our multiple income funnel. I'm your sponsor, and I'm here to help. Finish getting started here, right? That just sends them back over to the video sales letter. And then I said, you can also reply to this email or find me on Facebook. So I gave them 2 ways where they can reach out to me. And then I just say, hey, I'm looking forward to chat, right? So that kind of warms people up to, letting them know that I'm a real person. And then what I'm going to do is the next email that I'm going to send is I'm going to send them to, let me just pull it up here, my multiple income funnel review. Okay, so if you haven't watched that video yet, go watch that video. I'll leave a pin up in the top here, and that video just goes over, what the multiple income funnel is, the income streams that are involved in it, and then once you start getting some leads into this system, right, then you can put them into your get response and stuff like that, okay? So another cool thing is the affiliate program for get response. So you can actually set it up for free, and as you guys see here, if we go to, I think it's the main page here, let's just see. There we go. So we've made $21 from get response. So this is another income stream that you can do, say you're making videos or whatever. You can say, hey, for your new members, when they message you on Facebook, right, you can send them, be like, hey, do you have an email list? Have you done this? Send them to my video, but then get them to use your referral link, right? So that's one way that you can do it to get those get response referrals as well. But I'm telling you, if you just send traffic to this funnel, you're going to make more than enough money. All right. So unfortunately, no sales as of yet. The system's following up with the leads. We only have 20 leads in the system so far, so we're moving steady, but nothing too crazy. All right. So if you guys enjoyed this shorter little training type video, if you guys want more of these where, maybe I just go over quickly a short little method on how to drive traffic or something like that, let me know in the comment section below if you guys go on to enjoy this, and if you guys have any videos that you want me to do, or if you guys have any questions or things that you want me to cover, again, let me know in the comments below. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's under 10 minutes, so it's going to be a super short video, but I hope you guys get a lot of value from this and you can start building your email list, because once you build your email list, then you'll eventually have a massive amount of people that you can send out an email to at the snap of a finger and promote not only the multiple income funnel, but eventually, get maybe your get response or other income streams down the road, because you'll have this pre-built traffic. Okay, that's all the big wigs are making money. So go out there, start building your email list, use the multiple income funnel to grow, right, to get those leads in. If you guys haven't set up your multiple income funnel, again, check out, I'll leave the video link in the description below, which is my review. All right, or you can just type in multiple income funnel review and just scroll down till you see the 6-Figure Marketers Club. That's mine. And then go watch that video. There'll be a link to join that in the description as well. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Dylan DeFazio here with 6-Figure Marketers Club, and we'll see you in the next video.